Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to everyone. Students, today I'm here with the chapter 2 NSM 1 integers, rational numbers and real numbers. Practice now 7 that is related to the mixed fractions with positive and negative sign. Okay, we have a question of practice now 7 part A that is a mixed fractions. Also you can see we have a bracket in our equation as well as divide and minus sign. So you will see that how we solve this question. First of all, when there is this type of question, now it is your own choice rather to solve the bracket firstly, or you can also solve the mixed form at a time. So I will solve mixed form. So let's start our question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Firstly, we multiply our denominator with that. 4 5s are 20 plus 1. Always add the numerator. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 4. Then divide. Now we solve the terms inside the bracket. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14. Minus 14 by 5. Now we have to solve this divide sign. I told in our previous video, whenever there is a divide sign, we change this divide sign in the multiplication sign. And the term that is next to the divide sign will be turned into reciprocal. So 21 divided by 4. This divide sign will be changed in multiplication sign. And the term that is next to this divide sign will be converted into reciprocal. So 5 divided by 14. Place this minus sign as well. Okay, now the next term will become the reciprocal. You can see that our denominator will become our numerator, or numerator will become our denominator. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. Now in the next step, we will do the cutting. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 3 by 4 multiply by minus 5 by 2. When there is nothing sign, that means there is a plus sign. So the 3 by 4 having the sign plus, plus minus minus. Now multiply the terms 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. And multiply the denominators. 4 multiplied by 2, so 4 2s are 8. Now students, you can see that we have improper fraction. Why? So because our numerator is bigger than in our denominator. So we will divide this term. 8 1s are 8. Now 15 minus 8, 7. So write on this term. Place this minus sign as well. This is your answer. Whenever you have this type of division in which you have the remainder, so write on your remainder in the top. Your quotient will be on the left side, and your left side, that is your dividend, will be on your remainder side. So this is all about your part A. Now we'll move towards the part B. Now students, we have the part B of practice now 7. Again we have this type of question. First we will solve the fractions. Mixed fractions. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 7. 7 by 4 multiply by 6 by 5. Now again we have two sign, plus minus. Now in multiplication, plus minus will become minus. Or you can also have the concept that whenever there is a plus sign outside the bracket, the inner sign will remain the same. There is no need to change the inner sign. When we change the inner sign, when there is minus sign outside the bracket, so the inner sign will be changed. Now in this situation, there is a plus sign, so we have the minus sign inside the brackets, that will be the same. Now 1 by 2. In the next step, we will do take the LCM of 5 and 2. 7 by 4. Now the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Now next step, equal your denominator as well as your numerator to the 10. Okay, when we multiply 5 with 2, so 5 become 10. Multiply that 2 with numerator also. 2 6 are 12. Now next is minus. Now when we multiply 2 with the 5, so your denominator will become 10. Multiply that 5 also with the numerator. 5 1s are 5. 7 by 4. Now subtract 12 minus 5. 7 by 10. Now we solve this bracket. There is a multiplication sign between 7 and 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and 4 multiplied with 10. 4 tens are 40. Now you see the fraction, that our fraction is improper fraction. We convert this improper fraction. 49 divided by 4. 41s are 40 minus 9. Write down this in mixed form. 9, 1 and 40. So this is your answer of part B, practice now 7. So students, this is all about your practice now 7 part A. Okay, this is that we have done without using of calculator. In the part B, they are asking that you have to solve these two questions with the help of calculator. So you can solve this question. If there is any query about practice now 7 part A, so you can put your query in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.